guys, SamH here at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon again. We're in our beautiful showroom because I have a very exciting opportunity. This is a 2025 Leisure Travel Vans Unity. This is the MBL, so Murphy Bed Lounge. So really excited to kind of walk through, show you guys the differences. This is a brand new floor plan for 2025. So kind of a new iteration of the Murphy bed. So I'll point out some differences there. But first of all, we've got it in a beautiful Eurosport color, one of my favorites. Just such a clean look, the black and white. Nice exterior storage here on this new floor plan. This is a spot for your door power cord, any other little things, kind of a nice little nook. And then of course storage in the back, generator in that first compartment, and even more on the opposite side. But let's jump in, Nick. You're gonna notice a little different from the Murphy bed. You're entering in midship rather than right at the front. So your TV is actually on this side of the door, of course pops up, and then you've got your lounge across the way. This is the power recliners, new for 2025, and in the dove color, so the lightest of all of the upholstery. Awesome lighting in here, everything you'd expect from leisure travel. Here's the other difference is the kitchen here, instead of being in an L shape, it's kind of this sleeker, longer. It just feels a little more spacious, less closed off space. So love this new floor plan. Fridge and freezer over here, of course, all the usual hanging closet storage here. This one's loaded. It's got the additional lithium battery as well as 400 watts of solar. You have macerator, a few other options. If you want to give us a call, we can go over everything on it. But then bathroom here in the back, they've kind of flipped things for the MBL rather than the Murphy bed. Give you a little more space. And yeah, lots more to go over. Again, this is available here at Sandy, Oregon, Johnson RV. I'd be happy to answer any questions about this one here, 2025 Unity MBL. Go ahead and give us a call here. Again, I'm Sam Howell. Ask for Nick Urban if I'm unavailable. Thanks.